David, and today I'll be covering over IntelliSense, which is a advanced VS Code feature. Um, I'll be elaborating how to access it, how to identify it, and how to utilize it. So we want to begin with, of course, going over to VS Code. And right here we have um, a set of code lines here. Uh, so the thing about IntelliSense is it should be accessible to anyone. Um, how it works is you type out a line of code, and you'll notice that you have this little box right here that pops up at the bottom of your line of code. Um, if not, the reason why this could be is um, you need to press Control Space. So if you do Control Space, it'll open up your IntelliSense interface right here. And so how to utilize this is it helps fill in lines of code for you. A good example being, let's say a print statement right here. Um, what you can do is do sys out, and right here at the bottom of IntelliSense, this specific just words right here will print out a print statement. And so when you press enter, it'll automatically fill that in for you. Of course, this is very handy for if you want to cut time on typing code. This is true for if you want to do an if statement. It will show you a plethora of uh, choices to choose. So you can do if with already a set condition right here. Right here, you can just type in, your boolean or your condition, um, or you can do um, or you can do just the if by itself. You can do if else, which will do if condition here, and then at the second right there we'll do the else, um, if not null, and then if null. Of course, this is just very beneficial, so that way you can cut time on typing out lines of code all by hand. A great way to utilize it is with for loops, so you can have the for each one set up right there, easy access, and of course it will have things set by default, but this is all up to the user to change its default settings to whatever they may need it for what purpose. Um, what else this could be useful for is if you already have set variables. That being, if you have, let's say for example, um, int I, and so, or let's do more kind of complicated, variable. Okay. With this set there, if you just press V, it will automatically have your, um, it will pop up variable right there. So you can click it, and what we'll do, it was just take this and automatically fill it for you. So this is very helpful for whenever you need to quickly write down a variable and not write it all down by hand.